Honorable Chief Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, dignitaries on the dais, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. India is one of the most diverse countries with high levels of income, education, and religious differences, and has developed as a rich, poor country. Managing this dichotomy is difficult and noisy. However, let us not confuse the noise of a democracy in transition with the vibrancy of India. India's medium and long-term prospects remain bright. The current state reflects a need for improved planning and execution through a revamp of institutions, systems, and processes. There is definitely need for action, but no cause for despair. Now for the good news. Gujarat is a good example of appropriate policies and great execution yielding results. The state's GDP is growing at 10%. Gujarat has been able to provide power to 100% of its villages. 88% of the roads have asphalt. All villages are connected to an all-weather road, and consequently, you have agriculture growth at 8%. HDFC Bank believes that Gujarat would continue to grow in the future at the same rate, and we are well positioned to take advantage and participate in the growth as well as the new opportunities that would be created by linking Bharat and India. We today have 215 branches and 754 ATMs in Gujarat. Most of our branches are in the semi-urban areas. In the next 3 years, we will open more than 250 branches, and it is our objective that you will be able to touch an HDFC Bank service point at every 8 kilometers in Gujarat. HDFC Bank provides banking services to the length and breadth of Gujarat. Our lending products encompass the smallest borrower below the poverty line at the bottom of the pyramid to the largest corporates sitting on this dais. Our credit deposit ratio in Gujarat is 105%. Our priority sector lending is at 7,000 crores, and we've lent approximately 3,500 crores to the MSME sector. We have also recognized our corporate responsibility, and we've introduced a sustainable livelihood initiative and have made 40,000 families self-sustainable in 13 districts as of September 12. We are now ramping up this initiative substantially, which includes providing training, market linkages, finance to people at the bottom of the pyramid. Gujarat is a key focus state for HDFC Bank. The bank stands committed to partner with the government of Gujarat in the larger growth of the state under the dynamic leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji. Let me conclude by wishing all of you a very happy, vibrant Gujarat and a very happy and prosperous New Year. Thank you.